Hey everyone, welcome to my tutorial series. Today we're going to be staying on Excel, Microsoft Excel that is, and we're going to be talking about the concatenate function. Now, the concatenate formula is a powerful formula that combines text from different cells into one. So whether you're working on a project that requires you to merge names from different cells or addresses, or just any kind of text, concatenate is the answer. That is your go-to. So let's get right into it and see how it works. Now, concatenate. Like I was explaining to you, concatenate merges cells together into one. So in this case, let's say we have example, a first name. Let's have a first name here. And we have, let's call this first name together. And last name. Okay, let's space that out slightly. Okay, let's say this first name is, let's look for a random name. Osha Raymond. Okay. And let's just find the name here. Kylie. So let's say we have a data set that has first name differently from last name. But the company, or we want a full name written together, right, in another column. That's when the word concatenate comes in. So what we then do is concatenate this cell and this cell together to give us a full name. The formula is called concat equals concat. Yeah, right there. So once you type in the concat, you open parentheses, and then you pick on the first cell, like it says text 1 over there. Pick on the first cell, right? In this case, Osha, and then comma, and then the next cell. In this case, B2, Raymond, and close the parentheses. Like I said, it only takes what's in the first cell and what's in the second cell and joins it together. In this case, it will not give us the full name how we want it. You notice how the Osha Raymond is joined together and there's no space in between? Yeah, that's because it took what's in the first cell and the second cell and added it together. Now, if we were to do this in a neater way, I would say we include a space. So let's try that with concat. Cell A1, comma, and this is where the space comes in. We're going to type in the space as a string in this case. So we use quotation, space, quotation. So that's quotation, open quotation, space, and quotation. Now that space is what's in the string. The space is what's in the string. So the space is what we're going to use as the second text. So the third text is now Raymond. So in essence, what we typed here in this formula is give us what's in cell A2 and give us a space and give us what's in cell B2. If we hit enter here, it will give us the name as a full name is supposed to look. Now let's replicate this to the next one. Okay, that Kylie Minogue is a space. It is written like that. Now let's say we have, I'm going to clear this. Say we have house number, street name, and city. So let's just randomly call these 24. Just bring random numbers in there. My street. The street. Street, our street. And let's assume they're all in London. Oops, that's city. London. Okay. And then there's another thing that wants a full address. There's another column that requires a full address here. How do you think we can do this one? Yeah. Now that's a longer concatenate. So let's use concatenate formula here again. So it equals concat, open parentheses, first text, comma. Remember the space at this point? Quotation, space, quotation, comma. Yeah. And then the text in B2, comma, and a space again, quotation, space, quotation, comma, and last text. And we close parentheses. It gives us this, like this. 23, My Street, London. And replicate the formula. And it gives us the address that we want. And that wraps up our tutorial today on concatenate. I hope you're feeling very confident in using this formula to combine texts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Until next time.